Canon error code E000002 2025 is a technical issue that occurs in some Canon printers and cameras, indicating a problem with the device's functionality. To resolve this error, it is essential to understand its causes and follow a step-by-step approach to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, identify the possible causes of the error, which may include faulty hardware, outdated firmware, or corrupted data. Check the device's manual or manufacturer's website to determine if there are any known issues or recalls related to the error code. Next, restart the device to see if the error persists. This simple step can often resolve the issue by clearing temporary glitches or corruption. If the error remains, proceed to the next step. Update the device's firmware to the latest version, as outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues and errors. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest firmware update. If the error is still present, try resetting the device to its default settings. This will erase all custom settings and preferences, so make sure to note down any important settings before proceeding. Consult the device's manual or online support resources for instructions on how to reset the device. In some cases, the error may be caused by a specific feature or function, so try disabling or removing any recently installed accessories or software. If the error occurs in a printer, check the print queue and cancel any pending print jobs. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Canon's customer support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance. Provide detailed information about the error, including the device model, firmware version, and any steps taken to troubleshoot the issue. By following these steps and taking a systematic approach to troubleshooting, you can effectively resolve Canon error code E000002 2025 and get your device up and running smoothly. Remember to always refer to the device's manual and manufacturer's support resources for specific instructions and guidance.